Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My family has been fighting the flu bug lately, and all of the misery that comes along with stuffy heads and achy muscles. We were sure happy to have this neck massager pillow from HMEEN. Not only is this a soft memory foam pillow, but once you plug it in and feel the vibration and warmth, you are transferred from the agony of tight neck muscles to a peaceful place that makes you forget that you were even sick in the first place. It has several different modes for you to choose from. You can set it automatically to go through a cycle, or you can manually set it to your favorite massage technique. My personal favorite is the heating feature as well as the airbag inflator. This pillow is well made and durable. All of the stitching is strong, and I know that this will last me for years to come, which is great because I never want to be sick without it. This would make a great gift for anyone who suffers from neck and shoulder pain. Another thing I really loved about it is how quiet it is. When you're sick, you don't want anything loud in your ears, and this just has a quiet, soft hum. I think that you're going to love this neck massage pillow as much as my family does, and that's my point of view.